Okay, so this is the Hammerhead multi-tool. Model number HAM T022. And I bought this to be able to cut underneath so I can place my tiles. I've been putting down vinyl tiles. So what the tiles look like. They are grip strip flooring, and they're a little bit thicker than the peeling strip. So I couldn't really cut them like the other ones with these scissors. So I had to order this multi-tool so I could get up underneath the woodworking. And it has and it comes with these accessories. You have that one. You have the sanding thing that sticks on there, and the semicircle circular saw. Pretty easy to use. I wanted the cordless one, but I don't really plan on using that much. I'm just a handy home DIY handy woman. I'm not doing this as a living, so I just wanted to make my tiles look a little neater around the edges. And that's the Hammerhead corded multi-tool.